Hello my lovelies, how are you all? Do let me know. And I just thought of quickly hop onto the stories and answer some of your questions related to the products, as Nykaa Summer Super Saver Days are live and you will get really good deals on these products. Dear, you have asked just one product, but still I have two of my most favorite products from ELF. One is for face and another one is for lips. So first has to be the ELF Liquid Matte Lipstick. I have three beautiful shades right here with me and three of them are on really good discount. First one is this Praline, which is a beautiful brownish nude, great for everyday wear. Then we have Marvelous, which is a peachy pinkish nude shade, and last one is this Berry Sorbet, which is a purple based fuchsia pink lipstick. Here you can see the swatch. Formula is really nice, very lightweight and moussey in texture, applies beautifully and settles matte. Another favorite is this ELF HD loose powder. I have the shade Sheer, which is a translucent loose powder. This is a really nice one, very softly and finely milled. Just see, it's very soft, applies really nicely and doesn't leave any kind of white cast, white residue on skin, and blurs out your skin. I mean, your pores look a little bit blurry. That means your skin looks a bit smooth, not too much, but yeah, a little bit of smooth effect you will get. And this is a really nice loose powder to try. I can totally relate with this one. Coral blushes are so much in trend these days, and summer is a perfect time for coral blush because coral shade looks really nice, vibrant and fresh on skin. Of course, you can wear it in like any time of the year, but yeah, summer is a perfect time for coral blush, and my most favorite ones are here. First one is this Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade variant Malibu Barbie, and you're getting two different shades in it, which is why this is the number one. You're getting this soft pink. It is having silver shimmery particles in it, but doesn't show up on skin because the particles are really fine and it adds a really nice glow on skin. And this one is a coral peachy shade, which looks absolutely gorgeous. This is my favorite from this palette, and it is having silver and gold particles in it. So this one also doesn't show up, in fact adds a really nice glow. Also, you can mix and match both the shades and apply, and this one is a really nice to try. Next favorite is K Beauty Matte Blush in the shade variant Sugar Candy. This is a beautiful matte blush, looks really nice, natural, gives a really nice healthy look to your cheeks. So if you're looking for a natural looking blush, this is the right one. And I have uploaded a detailed review video on three of the most beautiful shades from this range. So video you will get on my YouTube channel Zoha Insight. Do check for the detailed review. And yeah, this one is also really nice. Next I have my current favorite, and this is the high-end blush, coral blush, which is MAC Glow Play Blush in the shade variant Cheer Up. I really like the texture of this one. It's like a cushion. You can see the dent. It's like a cushion and applies beautifully on skin. I have uploaded a reel on this, so you can see how you can apply this blush. If you're looking for a high-end coral blush and is also having a little bit of soft peachy look, then this one is right to go for, and this adds a really nice glow as well. Dear, you have also asked about Flower Beauty Blush Bomb, और मैंने भी अपना order place किया था इसी blush के लिए 2 days back, and today morning I have received my package and here it is. This is Blush Bomb in the shade variant Melon, which is a perfect coral blush. This was on 30% off, so I thought of grabbing this. This is such a cute packaging. I really love it. I'll share a swatch as well with you. मैंने इसे अभी अपने cheeks पर apply भी किया है, and you can see it is looking really nice. It's very lightweight and doesn't look heavy, but you will have to work really quickly because ये बहुत ही जल्दी set हो जाता है and it settles completely matte. You can see a really nice healthy flush of color you will get on your cheeks. I'm perfectly fine, dear. Thanks to God Almighty and thanks to you as well for asking. I hope आप और आपकी फैमिली, आप सब इनफैक्ट बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे, सेफ होंगे. Do let me know कि आप सब लोग कैसे हैं. And yeah, the Nykaa sale is really amazing and I'm really happy कि वीडियो आपके लिए इतनी helpful थी and it was easy for you to select the products and I totally agree. Deals are really amazing. Eyeshadow palettes which are actually very great for beginners and are in 50% off are these one from Nykaa के. ये मेरे पास 6 palettes है इस range में से, but these 3 are actually really amazing if you're a beginner. So first one is this very versatile and lovely palette. This is Autumn Spice variant. बहुत ही beautiful rose gold, पीच, ऑरेंज, ब्राउन एंड येलो शेड्स है. सो आप बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे लुक्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एंड इफ यूर अ बिगनर देन आई थिंक यू कैन ट्राई दिस वन. और इसका रिव्यू वीडियो एंड स्वॉच वीडियो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर है, सो आप चेक भी कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज दिस वन. इफ यू आर मोर इनटू दीज काइंड ऑफ nude and muted shades then you can try this one as well. और ये जो शेड है this bronze shade मैंने अपने eyelids पर अप्लाई किया है and you can see it's absolutely stunning. बहुत ही अच्छी पिगमेंट है और बहुत ही अच्छी ट्रांजिशन शेड्स भी है, आईब्राउ हाईलाइटिंग शेड भी है. सो अगर आपको इस तरह की कलर स्टोरी पसंद है तो ये भी आप चेक कर सकते हैं एंड यू आर गेटिंग 50% ऑफ. सो या एंड जो रिसेंट ट्रेंड चल रहा है शेड्स का दैट इज पर्पल्स, लाइलैक्स, लैवेंडर्स एंड पिंक्स. सो आप इस पैलेट को भी चेक कर सकते हैं. आपको बहुत ही गॉर्जियस शेड्स मिल रहे हैं. ये दिखते काफी सेम है बट व्हेन यू अप्लाई ये थोड़ा सा पॉपी है, ये थोड़ा सा म्यूटेड है एंड आई थिंक इफ यू आर अ बिगनर सो आप इस पैलेट को भी चेक कर सकते हैं. Also, one more my favorite eyeshadow palette is this Nykaa Just Wink It eyeshadow palette. इसमें आपको 12 shades मिलते हैं. ये मेरी first Nykaa की eyeshadow palette थी. You will get a mirror as well. Oops, sorry. और ये 12 shades है. ये I think 25% off में है. Double chocolate chip. इसका भी review video आपको मेरे YouTube चैनल पर मिल जाएगा. और इसका जो एक another shade variant है that is cinnamon crunch, वो 50% ऑफ में है और उसमें भी बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल शेड्स हैं. सो आप चेक कर सकते हैं. Only just one mascara. I have shared about this a lot of times on my channel and that is K Beauty volumizing mascara in the shade Midnight. एक ही mascara आता है K Beauty का and it's absolutely amazing. It's waterproof. It gives really nice falsies, kind of natural looking falsies kind of effect. और डबल कोट से तो बहुत ही ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल लगती हैं लैशेस और बहुत ही इजीली रिमूव भी हो जाता है. सो आई थिंक दिस इज अ रियली नाइस मस्कारा टू ओन. ओके, सो माई शॉपिंग लिस्ट. सो मैंने बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ऑर्डर नहीं किए, जस्ट फ्यू ऑफ देम जो कि बहुत अच्छे डिस्काउंट पर थे और मुझे काफी समय से बाय करना था उन्हें. और एक तो मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर ही दिया. दिस इज फ्लावर ब्यूटी ब्लश बॉम इन द शेड मेलन. और जो बाकी के प्रोडक्ट्स है वो मैं आपके साथ हॉल वीडियो में शेयर कर दूंगी क्योंकि लास्ट मंथ भी मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स बाय किए थे, कुछ न्यू लॉन्चेस जो कि आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना है. सो वेट फॉर द हॉल वीडियो एंड लॉट्स ऑफ लव टू यू एज वेल. और आप भी अपनी शॉपिंग लिस्ट मेरे साथ शेयर कीजिएगा. Okay, so I'm really very happy that we share same skin tone. So in that way, it's easy for you to select shades. And rahi baat MAC lipsticks ki, so I have uploaded a detailed review and swatch videos on MAC lipsticks with and without makeup. So do check on my YouTube channel Zoha Insight and hope those videos will be helpful for you. Of course, dear, you will get authentic products on Nykaa and I am shopping from Nykaa from past more than 4 years now and never had any complaints with the authenticity. So you are a lover of blingy highlighters just like me and I have 2 really amazing drugstore options for you. It's really tough for me to select just one, so आप select कर लीजिएगा जो भी आपको पसंद हो वो आप buy कर सकते हैं. First one is this K Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz. Such a gorgeous highlighter, very blingy. और इसका मैंने डिटेल रिव्यू वीडियो भी अपलोड किया है सो आप चेक कर सकते हैं. एंड लेट मी डू अ स्वॉच फॉर यू. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. Very blingy and will flatter on all skin tone beauties beautifully. And this one also comes up to the level of many high-end highlighters. So You can try this one, and this range is having so many beautiful shades as well. So अगर आपको कोई और shade पसंद हो तो आप check कर सकते हैं. My next pick, which is my current favorite and recent purchase, is this Nykaa Glow Goals Shimmer Brick in the shade variant Good Old Gold. And this is having so many different tones of gold in it. Like this one is more like a white gold, champagne gold, little bit of brown hint here, and this one is yellow based gold. These are not like in your face kind of golds, but these are really beautiful and will flatter on all skin tones. Just swirling it around for a swatch. Just see, very blingy. This one is also a really nice option to try. Just a single eyeshadow palette which is super versatile and you can use it to the max is this one, in my opinion. It's Nykaa Professionals Eyeshadow Plus Blush Palette. This is quite underrated, but this is a recent launch from Nykaa. This is the very first product from their Pro range, and I have done a detailed review video on this one on my YouTube channel, so you can check that video as well. Here are all the beautiful shades, and these two shades works great as a highlighter. You can create some amazing makeup looks. You can have a look. It's a very versatile palette. I can share a little bit about this palette. You can create nude makeup looks. You can create some pink, burgundy kind of makeup looks, bronze, peach, gold, smoky eye looks, and you have 5 different blushes. और आप इनको mix match करके भी shade बना सकते हैं, which is actually very great. I have used this particular shade as a bronzer today, and you can see it's looking very natural and beautiful. Also, these shades works great to fill in your eyebrows, and this one I have used as a very soft contour on my nose and here. So yeah, in my opinion, you can use this palette to the max and is super versatile. Okay, so I have some really amazing affordable makeup products that you can use on a daily basis. I also like to use them on a daily basis, and these are of super good quality. So first one is this Nykaa All Day Matte Compact. This is the newly launched one, and my shade is 01 Ivory. You will get a mirror and a cushion applicator, and this is how it is. Very softly and finely milled. This is not having much coverage, so yeah, you can use it on a daily basis. It is priced at around $225, and they are having some really nice offers on this as well. So yeah, you can try this. Now my most affordable favorite mascara has to be this one, Nykaa Like It Long Lengthening waterproof mascara. I have done a detailed review video on this one, and you must watch that video. I have shared a really nice comparison, so watch that video for all the details. And yeah, I can show you the wand as well. Just see, it is so nice, and I have applied this mascara today, and here you can see it looks absolutely amazing. And yeah, this is my favorite. You can try this one, and they have other 2 variants as well. So if you're looking for like volume, so yellow one is for volume and pink one is for curl, and this one is to add length. Now for eyeliner, I think these eye pencils works great. This one is a recent launch, that is Nykaa Black Magic Kajal, and I have applied this today. You can see this beautiful lifted liner look is everything we want. So yeah, you can try this one. If you're not a big fan of liquid eyeliner, this is a really nice option, lasts all day long. And if you're into brown eyeliners, then you can try this as well. From Nykaa Glamorize range, this is in the shade Bronze Beam 08. I can share swatches as well. Yeah, this is Bronze Beam, and this is beautiful jet black kajal. These are actually super versatile because one, you can use them as kajal, second, you can use them as eyeliner, and also you can use them as eyeshadow for smoky eyes, for brown, everyday wear kind of eye looks. Next, I have two really amazing lipsticks for you. These are newly launched again from Nykaa. Actually, these are from their Ultra Matte range, but these are mini versions which they have launched recently, and these two shades are must-haves, I guess. First is 09 Mona Lisa and this is 07 Grace. One is a peachy nude shade. Let me swatch it for you here. You can see such a gorgeous peachy nude shade. You can apply this as a blush as well, also on your eyes. And this is Grace, right? Beautiful shades. So these are some of the amazing affordable makeup products that you can try, and they are of super good quality, and also you're getting some really amazing deals on them. Talking about my favorite face serums for all skin types, first one has to be this one. This is my all-time favorite from like December 2019. I have shared this in one of my Korean skincare hauls, so you can watch that video on my channel. This is Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. It's absolutely amazing serum. It really helps to clear out the skin. If you have breakout prone skin, you can try this. Also, it hydrates really well. So if you have dry skin, you can still use this. Also, this was included in my monthly favorites. So do watch that monthly favorite series and you will get to know about my very favorite products every month. Next I have is this Laneige Water Bank Hydro Essence. It smells amazing. It is very soothing. It feels really nice and calm. It is having really nice milky kind of texture. It's an essence, but it works like a serum only. And this one is great for all skin types. But if you have dry skin, they have one more variant in this, which they have launched like last month only. That is Water Bank Moisture Essence. This one is Hydro Essence. So if you have oily combination normal and dry skin, you can use it. But if you have extremely dry skin, you can use the Moisture Essence Moisture Essence variant of this one. Also, this helps to hydrate. This helps to moisturize your skin deeply and adds a really nice dewy glow, a plump effect in your skin. I am properly incorporating vitamin C in my skincare routine these days, and my recent favorite is this one from Dot & Key. This is Glow Revealing Vitamin C Serum Concentrate enriched with Kakaru Plum and Acerola Cherry. It is an amazing product. I am using this from more than 20 days now, and I have seen that it adds a really nice glow, and also it helped to reduce some of the acne marks that I had. Also, one more thing that I want to say is that it contains hyaluronic acid, which is actually very great for dry skin people, and because of vitamin C, it's great for oily combination skin beauties as well. So no matter what your skin type is, you can use this serum. Masking is something that I totally love doing with my skin. It helps to make the skin very clean, makes you feel fresh, rejuvenated, happy and pampered. So I have few of my favorites right here, and first is this one, Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Clay Mousse Mask. This is the original variant, which is actually very great for all skin types because it gently draws out all the impurities, gunk, dirt from the skin. Also, with regular usage, you will see that all the whiteheads and blackheads are getting away from the skin. So this is really nice. It is hassle-free. Just apply it, leave it for 10 minutes, wash it off, and you're good to go. And this is my favorite. Also, you're getting really good deals on Innisfree. Next face mask is my absolute favorite. I love this face mask and I can use this entire year. And this has to be from the Forest Essentials. This is facial treatment mask in the variant Sandalwood and Nag Kesar. If you have oily combination, breakout prone and normal skin, you can try this variant. It's amazing. It smells heavenly. It's like heaven in jar, I should say. It smells really soothing of sandalwood. This is actually a new one. I have emptied 2 of them already. This is how it looks like. It's so good. Smells like sandalwood and rose water. And I love this one. If you want to have something which is more, which can give you a spa-like effect, then I think you should try this one. Forest Essentials is my favorite luxurious Ayurvedic Indian skincare brand, and they have some really amazing offer going on right now on Nykaa. So you can try this as well. Next is my recent favorite face mask. I am feeling like why I haven't tried it yet. I mean, this is something that I want to apply every week, and that is this one. I have reviewed this face mask already on my YouTube channel. I think you must watch that video. This is Dot & Key Pollution Plus Acne Defense Green Clay Mask. Oh my god, this gives really nice cooling sensation on skin, clears out the skin really well, and you can actually see that your pores are looking very, very clear, and it really helps to take away the whiteheads easily, which is something that I really enjoy about this mask. And this is a really nice one to try for summers. If you have dry skin, you won't enjoy using this because this can dry out your skin. But if you have oily combination, acne prone, blemish prone and normal skin, you can try this. Next face mask is again from Dot & Key, and this is again my absolute favorite, and this works great for all skin types. And this is Glow Reviving Vitamin C Pink Clay Mask. This works great to add a really nice glow. It also helped me to reduce the acne scars, and it will reduce the pigmentation as well with regular usage. So this one is great for all skin types, and this doesn't dry out the skin. These are 2 of my highly recommended face masks from Dot & Key, and if you buy any of the Dot & Key products from Dot & Key website, then you can use my discount coupon code, that is Zoha10, to get flat 10% off every time you purchase from Dot & Key website. Now this last question is for the hair serum that I use on my hair. I am using just one hair serum from September 2019, and that is this one. This is Schwarzkopf Anti-Frizz Shine Serum. This is on a really good discount, so you can try this. It's a really nice lightweight serum, adds a really good shine and makes your hair manageable. Though I have done hair smoothing, but still before hair smoothing as well, I have observed that my hairs were quite manageable, and my natural hair texture is wavy, and now they are straight because of smoothing. It was working really nice, so you can try this as well. Let me show you the texture. This is how it is. I like to use it till the ends, and yeah, it nourishes as well really nicely and deeply. And I don't use hair oil on my hairs because hair oil doesn't really suit me, so this works great for me. So yeah, that is it for today's stories. I hope आपके लिए suggestions helpful रहेंगे और आपको बहुत अच्छी deals भी मिल जाएगी इस Nykaa Summer Super Saver Days sale में. Such a mouthful and long name and tongue twister as well. I hope आपके लिए ये helpful रहा होगा, and try to be happy, positive in this particular tough time. In fact, we all should try to be happy and positive all the time. And yeah, stay safe, अपना ध्यान रखिए, and we'll see you soon in my next stories. Let me know if you enjoyed these stories, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.